This is Leucadendron salignum winter red, and it's a more compact variety of the leucadendron. This one you're looking at is actually in my dad's yard in Pacific Grove, California. And it's been nice to watch this grow. This is about a 2 to 2.5 year old plant, and his gardener prunes this pretty vigorously, so not really what I wanted to happen, but I learned something interesting about it, is how nice and compact it keeps the plant. If you see where these have been cut, some of those branches, like right there, you see a division of about 5 branches where the cut was made. And look at these amazing flowers and bracts. So the flower is yellow in the center, and the bract around the flower is this intense pink color or red, and indeed this is in late winter, early spring. So beautiful evergreen shrub, and again, one of the smaller leucadendrons that I've seen, and honestly I haven't seen a lot of them, but at the UC Santa Cruz Arboretum they had quite a few, and this would be certainly considered one of the shorter varieties, 3 to 4 feet tall. What you're looking at here is about 24 to 30 inches tall and about 3 feet wide or so, and easily kept at this kind of 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. So he has very sandy soil, and most of the leucadendrons, they recommend that you have better drained soil. And also, these are very phosphorus sensitive. You don't want to use a regular fertilizer on these, because that will kill them. I planted one of these in my garden and fertilized it along with all the other plants, not knowing that about them, and I could not figure out why it died. I have the same plant in a container for 3 years now, and it's doing just fine. The other thing I found is that we got down in the mid-20s Fahrenheit this winter for a week or so straight at night, and mine had no problem with that. So I saw some literature saying these are hardy to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. I can safely recommend that they're at least hardy to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and probably a little lower given that these didn't burn at all at that temperature. So very deer resistant too. He has a lot of deer in this yard. They eat anything that they can stand to eat, and they don't bother these at all, so very deer tolerant. So drought tolerant, deer tolerant, very low water, prefer good well-drained soil, and just a beautiful plant, great cut flower to bring in, and blooms over a very long period, probably 3 to 4 months during the winter. And that is Leucadendron salignum winter red. Beautiful evergreen shrub in the right place. Enjoy.